Well, students, today we will discuss some of the method of series, okay, that can be applicable on the series, and one very important aspect of series, okay, so that may give you some extra knowledge about the series. So just a very small piece of thing that I want to show you out here. So already I have imported the pandas as PD. After this we will go to the methods and some of the series calculation that also we will see, okay, how the mathematical application can be done by using the operators as well as with the methods. Okay, so first let us see that what exactly I want to mean. Okay, so I am now importing numpy also because I want to import a nan value also. So okay, I want to employ one nan value. Fine. So now let us see as np I have given out here. So the np package has been numpy package has been imported. Fine. So now I am creating a series s1 equals to pd dot series pd dot series. Then I'm taking a series out here, say 34 comma 56 comma np dot nan, okay, nan value, and then I'm taking 67 and then 89. Okay, so these are the values that I have taken out here. Okay, so now you see, students, okay, so this series has been created. Fine. So just pressing enter, so it will show you the series. Now the one thing is noticeable that what is happening when we are giving the np.nan. So here are two types of values have been given. Whole number integers also has been given and along with np.nan. Fine. So now when I have given the s1, now you see everywhere it is coming 34.0.0 is has been added. Okay, so why so? Because whenever we will employ a nan values, and the outcome will be always, if there are whole numbers and all, then it will also produce 0.0. Okay, now the thing is that if I am removing this one, just I am copying this series once, okay, and just putting it out here, okay, control V. Okay, so just I'm taking out this np.nan from here, then you see the difference in the output, then you will understand is what is exactly going on over here. Okay, s1, then it is showing me the whole numbers only. So that is because of nan. When nan is present in a series, then everything will be converted into, whether the whole number or the float number, whatever it is there, it will be also be converted into what, 0.0. Fine. So this is a very small aspect, because often this kind of question comes in the generating the outputs in the, say, in the multiple choice questions. Maybe this kind of options are being there. Okay, so one option may be given in this way, 34, 56, nan, 67, 89. Another options may be 34.0, all these things. Okay, so you have to choose that one where the point is there, 0.0 is involved. Okay, so this is very important one over here. So not only this one, in data frame also the same thing will occur in case of a nan value. So all the whole number integers also will be converted into nan, sorry, into decimal value. So I mean to say the float value. Okay, so that is the thing. Now let us come to the method of this thing. Okay, in the previous video I have shown you the arrange function. Okay, so now I am going with the head function. Return first n numbers of the series. If the value for n is not passed, then by default n takes 5 and the first 5 members are displayed. Fine. So here it is shown out here, this series already been taken, head 2, so the 2 values have been printed, and when nothing has been passed through it, so it is showing here the 5 values have been printed, that is from the beginning. Okay, so now let us take out the series and just test it out here practically. Let's see what is happening out here. Let's see once. Okay, so I'm taking one series out here, s2 equals to say pd dot series. I'm initiating a series out here. Okay, sorry, 45 comma 66 32 21 33 33 78 90 98, all this. Okay, 98 65. Okay, so these values are there in the series, have been included. Okay, so s2 if you are giving, then it will show you the values in this order. Now say if you are actually giving this s2 dot head, then what will happen? You see out here, head, then what will happen? It will just print the values. Okay, the first 5 values have been printed. Okay, that is the thing. So now suppose I am giving out here s2 dot head, okay, and then bracket, and then I am giving out here 3, then from the beginning 3 values will be printed with the index 0 1 2. Okay, so just of the opposite of head is tail. Okay, so just we'll read the literature what is given for the tail. Let us see. Return the last n numbers of the series, or the members, not numbers, it is members actually, members of the series. If the value for n is not passed, in that case by default n takes the 5 values from the end. Okay, that is the last 5 members will be taken. Okay, if nothing has been given, you can see out here the last value, that is 5 6 7 8 9 have been there. Okay, and then when you are passing the number through it, then what will happen? That many things will be printed from the end. Okay, so in this case, that's why 8, 9 has been printed, and here the last 5 values have been printed. Similarly, we can do the same thing out here. Suppose if I'm giving s2 dot tail, okay, only tail, nothing else, okay, only tail. So the what is the things? The last 5 values will be printed. That means from 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be printed. Okay, so the similar thing has been printed 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As the series is of this kind, s2 if you are giving, so you see out here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the last 5 values have been printed. Now see, if I am giving s2 dot tail in this way. S2 dot tail in this way, say I'm giving 3 out here, then the last 3 values, that means 6, 7, 8 will be printed. Okay, so you can easily justify it from here. So the last 3 values have been printed. So this is the function of the head and tail when you are using in series. Now let us come to the count. What it does, returns the it is self-explanatory, because count actually counts, okay, the number of values in the series. So simply give here the name of the series dot count, then it will give you 10. That means so there are 10 values and it will have the indices of 0 to 9. Fine. So similarly, if we are giving out here the similar thing, say s2 dot count, say s2 dot say count, okay, count, and then say putting bracket out here, so level none. Okay, so that is the thing. So there are 9 values. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 9 values. Okay. So these are the functions of the methods. Okay, which can be used in series. Okay, Python series. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us once more going back to the other things. Okay, so let us see out here. So what else is there? Now the calculation part of the series will be done. Okay, mathematical operations on series. Okay, so it is saying that we have learnt in class 11 that if we perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on two numpy arrays, the operation is done on each corresponding pair of elements. Okay, similarly, we can perform mathematical operations on two series in pandas also. That is a thing. So while performing mathematical operations on series, index matching is implemented. Okay, so there must be some kind of matching in case of index. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, that is the thing. So let us think going before that. So I'm just importing pandas once. Okay, import pandas as pd. Okay, it takes time to implement. Okay, so now let us come to the explanation part. Okay, so while performing mathematical operation on series, index matching is implemented and all missing values are filled in with none by default. Okay, none by default. All right, and there are two series have been taken in order to demonstrate this issue. Fine. So now let us see how this is to be done. All right, so how this is to be done, two series have been taken. Clear? So let us check this out. Okay, so I think the panda series have been implemented. Okay, so first I'm taking these two series. Okay, so these two series have been created out here. So S series A, okay, SERIES series A. All right, so that is the thing. Okay, so one more thing I would like to say you that say for example, okay, this series I am taking series A. Suppose series A here I am taking one numpy. Okay, so just importing numpy. Regarding count I want to show you, import, okay, numpy, okay, as np. All right, numpy as np I have taken and control V I have done, and I have taken out here the np.nan. Okay, np.nan. Okay, so I'm pressing enter out here. Okay, so now you see out here I'm doing what, series A. Okay, dot count I am giving. So that is the thing. So consider it out here, return number of non-nan values. Okay, null observations in the series. That means that np.nan will not be counted in this case whenever you are using this count, whenever you are taking the nan value. So it will show you 4. Okay, so there are 5 values, but the np.nan will not be taken into consideration. This is one very important aspect in a series. Okay, that is the thing. So now I am again reinitializing this series. Okay, once more in order to get it done. Okay, so I'm taking out here again 2 out here. So just changing this one 2. All right, so now I am incorporating series A. Series A. Actually this has come not in this way, so it has to be taken series A. All right, that is the variable Control C. I'm taking this one as S1. Okay, so that will be better because otherwise I have to write. So I'm taking one series A only. So that will be better, A. All right. Just a minute. The end I have to press. Okay, fine. And another series also I will be bringing from there. I'll just copy. So this is the series actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more series is there. Okay, series B out here. Okay, so it is also having some value. Let's see what can be done. Okay, so now we will go for addition and all. Okay, so that is the thing, series B. So I'm just taking this one as B. So no need to write this much big variable in this case. All right. So now I'm just pressing enter. Okay, sorry, not here. I have to come at the end. So that also you should learn. Okay, while doing the practical implementation, from where you need to press enter. Doesn't matter whether you give a comma and then you are writing in the next line. Nothing will happen. Fine. So now the thing is the mathematical operation to be done. Okay, A plus. So what I'm doing, A plus B. Okay, so both the series I am just adding. Okay, fine. So you see out here what is happening, A, B, C, D, E. Here the indices are Z, Y, A, C, E. That means A and C has got the value. Other things, other places like B is there is no value in the series B. Okay, for here. Okay, only A and C is there. That's why A and C has been added. That's why A and C has been added. Okay, and E has been added out here. E is having 5, so 100 plus 5, 105, and A minus A is how much? A is actually minus 10. The minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. All these things have come, but wherever the values are not being found, there the nan has been generated. Okay, so the nan there you can see easily nan. Okay, so that is why here what is happening. Okay, Z and Y has no value in series A. That's why they are nan. D has no value in series B, that's why nan. Okay, and B is having no value in series B, so nothing is there. Okay, no, nothing. Okay, so nan has been printed. So in this way, when the indices, when the values are not available with the respective indices, okay, then what will happen? It will be replaced by nan. Okay, so there will be nan. So that is why it is being said that it can be done two ways. In the first method, two series are simply added together. Okay, and here you can see that we have done just now this one. Okay, note there are the output of addition is none if one of the elements or both elements have no value. That is true. Okay, if both elements have no value, so that means what, in the xy xy has no values over there. Okay, so in both cases, okay, so if there is no value has been present, okay, so what will happen, the nan will be printed. Fine, nan will be displayed. Okay, that is the thing. So Z and Y in this case is not null, is not nan, but the thing is that there is no value for Z, Y in series A. So that is why it has been appeared as nan. Okay, Z, Y has been nan, D has been done. So in this way you have to determine the output. Okay, and another process is that when you are filling the values with 0. Okay, when you are filling the values with 0, and you can use a function also for that. Okay, that is the things, and always the data type will be written into float 64, that you should remember. Fine. So now you see here the details of the addition of the two series been explained out here. Okay, you can see this table 2.2. Okay, so what is the thing, A, B, C, D, E, Y, Z, we are having the total indices, and in the first series we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the values from series B, we are having A, we are having C, we are having E, okay, and no values for Y and Z into series A. So that's why they have written nan. Okay, wherever there is the no value has been available. Okay, so there it has been written and nan, and other places where the values are available and index has been matched, there the calculation has taken place. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So in case of B, so here 2 is there but no values in series B, that's why nan. And case of YZ, no values for YZ, so that's why nan has been returned. In case of D, in series B no value, so at least one value is nan, means it is fully nan. And other whole numbers or the integers, whatever it may be, it has also been converted into float. Okay, that is the main thing in the series calculation. Okay, the second method is applied when we do not have the nan values in the output. We can use the series method add and add a parameter fill underscore value to replace the missing value with a specified value. That is called series A dot add series B is equivalent to calling series A plus series B, but add allows explicit specification of the fill value for any element in series A or series B. that might be missing. Okay, now let us do this to this one. Okay, then we can understand it easily. So a dot add, okay, a dot add, then within bracket b, okay, b comma fill value, okay, fill underscore value, okay, value equals to, we are giving 0. That means what will happen? Now you see this nan will disappear. Okay, so we are actually replacing the nan by 0. Then you see what has come, 2 has come, okay, and in this cases 20 and 10 has come also. Now you see the series A, series A is having how much, okay, and series B having how much, you see. Okay, so now you see wherever the nan values are there, okay, and here if we are adding, once more I am just showing, one A dot add, okay, within bracket, okay, B comma fill value, okay, fill underscore value, okay, then equals to 0. Then what will come? So then you will see what is coming exactly. So the B 2 plus 0 will be added because there is no value in series B for the index B. So that is the thing. So 2 has been added with 0 and xy has been added with yz has been added with 0. So 20.0, 10.0 has come. Okay, so not only that, if you want to fill up with some other value, that also can be done. Okay, it is not only the 0. Okay, so any value can be given over here. Okay, so the thing is that if you are giving, say out here, say I am giving out here 2, then you see the output. Okay, then you see the output. So everywhere, wherever there is no value, with that 2 has been added. Wherever you have find nan, so there the 2 has been added, because 20 plus 2 no value, so 22 it has become, and 10 plus 2 no value, then it has become 12. So in this way, by using the fill value parameter, we can easily use the fill value. Okay, that is the thing. All right, so in this way you have to think that how the things are being calculated. So not only that, you can also do the other 4 operations of mathematical operation also. So that also is possible. Okay, now how those things are possible. Now suppose you are doing suppose A is having this series and B is having this series, fine. So now A and B is there. Now say if we want to do the subtraction, suppose A minus B, A minus B, then the subtraction will take place. Okay, subtraction will be taking place, A minus B. You calculate out here 10, okay, 10, and then this one is 1, okay, minus 10. So 1 minus of minus 10 is becoming how much? 1 minus of this one is minus 10. How much it is becoming? Minus 10. How much it is becoming? 11. So the 11 has been appeared over here. Okay, that is the thing. So A minus B. Now if you are doing A dot sub, okay, so the nans are appearing out here. A dot sub if you are doing, then B comma, okay, fill value, okay, fill value parameter will be in small letter, fill underscore value equals to, say you are giving a 0. Okay, then what will happen? You will see that the nan will disappear. So again the 2 is coming, 2.053, all these things are coming. You can check out here whether the values are perfectly okay or not. A and this is B. Okay, now carefully you see out here B. So A minus B, when we have done, so what is happening? That fill value, so 2.0 it has become. So B is having 2, so and 2 minus 0. Okay, so what is happening? So there is no value for B out here, so 2 minus 0, because we have done what? We have done fill value with 0. So that's why 2 minus 0 is coming 2 only. Okay, that is the thing. So wherever the values are not being there, so there it has been subtracted with from 0. Okay, so that is the thing. So 0 minus of minus 95. Now you see out here how these things are appearing. Okay, so you can understand it very nicely. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So minus 95 it has become. So where it is minus 95? Yes. Okay, here. Okay, so E is having minus 95 because 5 minus 100. Okay, and other places it is minus 20 remains minus 20 only, and minus 10 remains minus 10 only. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So this way the calculation takes place, and not only that, you can use some more methods. A into B. Okay, into B if you are doing, then what will happen? The series will be get multiplied. Okay, so wherever the nan value is supposed to come, it has appeared. Okay, and A dot, if you want to do A dot fill value, A dot MUL multiplication B comma field value. Suppose I am giving this time some value out here, okay, value, okay, equals to say 2, okay, then say what is coming, okay, field value 2, okay, sorry, just a minute, b dot has appeared over here, that is a wrong syntax, it will be comma, it should be comma out here. So let us see, b not dot, b will be comma. All right, so now you see out here, so value will be get multiplied by 2, okay, so it has become 2, so 2 into 2 4, because the NaN values are always filled with 2, have been filled with 2, so that's why b has no value in series B. Okay, so A is having what? A is having 2, so 2 into 2, and B is having what? B is having this. Okay, so what is happening? B has no value over here, so B has been multiplied 2 into 2 4. Okay, and what else is there? And the I mean to say that Z is having no value, so it has been printed over here, so it has been also multiplied by 2. It doesn't matter which series it is empty, wherever it will find empty value, it will be replaced by that value whenever you are using the field value parameter. Okay, so that is the thing. So A by B, so that is the thing. So here the 20 has become, and Y also has no value, okay, over here, so 20 into 2 it has become, for Y it has become 40. I think the D is also not having, so 4 into 2 8 it has become. So in this way the field value actually helps us. Okay, that is the thing. So either it is 0 or it is any kind of value you can put under the field value parameter, so it will show you the that kind of calculation only. Similarly, if you are doing A divided by B, okay, so it will do the division also. This is the thing. So wherever the NaN supposed to come, it will come NaN, but the thing is that if you are doing in this way, A dot div, okay, A dot div, then what else? B comma field value, okay, field underscore value. If you are giving 0 out here, then there will be a problem. So there will be INF will come in that case, okay, because any division you are doing by 0, okay, you are accomplishing by 0, then what will happen? It will show you INF in output. Okay, so you see out here, so INF has come. So where are the places you have divided by 0, so the values are not there. Okay, so you have divided by 0, it has become how much? It has become INF only. INF means infinity. Okay, that is the thing. So here it is 0.0 and Z also having 0.0, because 0 can divide 0 divided by 0 is possible. Okay, so if there no INF has come, but the value divided by 0 will always give you. Suppose if I am writing 2 divided by 0, it will show you the traceback error, that is the 0 division error. And but if I am writing 0 divided by 0, what will come? There also these things are come. But here what is happening? Anything divided by 0 also will give you the 0 out here. Okay, but in this case what is happening? YZ, okay, YZ, there is nothing. Okay, so that it is returning how much? YZ is giving you 0.0. Let us check out once. Okay, so first of all A I am giving out here, so A I am giving out here, then see how the things are being functioning. A is showing you 1 2 3 4 5, and B is showing you this one. Okay, this thing. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? Okay, so for A, B and all, so there is no value, so that's why it was showing us none. So A dot div, okay, so what else is there? What else is there? B comma field value, field underscore value, okay, value, so it is giving how much? 0. Okay, so now this thing is that, so here it is coming INF. Okay, so the element of A, okay, divided by 10, so returning 1 by 10, it is showing you how much? So it is minus 10, so 0.1. Again the B has been divided by 0, INF. C is 3 divided by, there is nothing for C, no, C is 3 by 50, 3 by 50, it is 0.06, it has come. For D, no value, for D no value, so 4 divided by 0, it has given INF. And for E it is 5, so 5 divided by 100, it is showing 0.05. And for Y and Z, there is no value, so that means Y and Z have been divided by the elements, it is having no value for in series A. So series A no value, that means it is 0. Okay, because it is field value has been given 0, so 0 by 10 will give you 0 only. That is possible, but the anything if you are dividing by 0, that is illegal. So that means 0 divided by 10 will give 0, and 0 divided by 20 also will give 0. So these are the mathematical operation on series. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so here in this case we have done with the addition. Okay, and here you can see the series A and series B. Okay, so this is where where we have seen the calculation on this thing. Okay, so the subtraction also has been done. This is the subtraction add method, and then the subtraction of two series is also the similar thing we have done out here. We have got this particular thing. Okay, and we have got the series dot sub. This one just we have done here. They have underscore given the 1000. Okay, so using field value 1000 while making explicit call of method. Okay, that is the thing. So now the multiplication of the series that we have seen just now, the similar multiplication operator can be used out here. And if you want to use the field value parameter, you have to use what? You have to use the similar thing out here. What you have to find out? You have to give series a dot mul. That is the function for multiplication of the series, and here it is the division of two series that I have already shown you, series A by series B, and wherever it is 0.0 nan everything will come. Okay, but the thing is that if you are using the diff function, in that case I have practically just now executed. Okay, so that is the thing. So what will happen here, you will get INF, that also we have got out here. Okay, that is the thing. So INF means what? INF means that you have tried to divide something by 0. Okay, then okay, but if the 0 is go into the numerator and then denominator is non-zero, in that case you will get 0 only. That is the thing has been happened out here. So these 4 applications along with the head, tail and count. Okay, along with head, tail and count, here the series calculation and the functions of the series, okay, that can be applicable, okay, have been completed. Okay, so now I will expect that you should implement this one practically and try to understand the type of execution, because these are very important for the sake of your exam. Okay, for your forthcoming examination. Okay, that is the thing. So what we have learned at last, okay, that is the 4 methods. Okay, that is the add, sub, mul, and that is the multiplication, and the div, okay, for division. Fine. So these 4 things also there, and the 4 operators also we can use the use for mathematical operation under series. Okay, and apart from that 4 operators are there: multiplication, sorry, addition, plus, then asterisk for multiplication, hyphen for subtraction, as well as slash for the division. We have also used that. Okay, and apart from that, head, count and tail also we have used. Okay, so students, I would like to say you that kindly do its mathematical explanation, sorry, mathematical calculation, and verify whenever you are doing the practical implementation of the things that I had demonstrated today. Okay, all right students, thank you very much.